You're given 8 coins that look completely identical. 7 of them weigh exactly the same, but 1 coin is defective and lighter. You also have a classic 2-pan balance scale, but there's a catch: you're only allowed to use it twice. At first glance, it might seem simple, but most people fail almost immediately. They rush in, start weighing coins randomly, and run out of moves. This isn't a test of speed. It's a test of staying calm and thinking in a structured way under pressure. The first step is to organise the coins. We split them into 3 groups: 3 coins in Group A, 3 coins in Group B, and the remaining 2 coins in Group C. The reason for having 3 groups is because a balance scale has 3 possibilities. The left side is lighter, the right side is lighter, or both sides balance. One careful weighing can tell us exactly which group contains the defective coin. To make tracking easier, we label the coins. Group A has A1, A2, and A3. Group B has B1, B2, and B3, and Group C has C1 and C2. For the first weighing, place Group A coins on the left and Group B coins on the right pan. There are 3 possible outcomes. If the left side rises, then Group A is lighter, meaning the defective coin is one of A1, A2, or a 3. If the right side rises, then Group B is lighter, and the defective coin must be one of B1, B2, or B3. If both sides balance, all 6 coins on the scale are normal, so the defective coin must be either C1 or C2. Now we resolve each scenario with our second weighing. Coming towards outcome 1, if the defective coin is in Group A, we simply compare 2 coins from that group, A1 and A2. If the scale tips, the lighter coin is the defective one. If it balances, A3 must be defective. The same method applies to outcome 2, Group B. Then, moving on to the outcome 3 for Group C, it's even simpler. Place the coins C1 and C2 on each pan and compare them. This way, the lighter coin is instantly identified. In just 2 weighings, we've covered every possibility. Every outcome is accounted for, and no guesswork is needed. This isn't about luck. It's about careful organisation, logical thinking, and using the information from each weighing efficiently. With the right approach, you can tackle complex challenges without panicking or running out of options. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe and turn on your notifications.